Hello everyone, welcome to IDALS, and this is Yash here, and I'm your new IDALS instructor. And in this tutorial I'll be teaching you a choreography on Manwa Laage from a film Happy New Year. And let's not waste any time and let's get down to the choreography directly. Let's go. Alright, so let's start from section 1. Yes, and I'll brief you about the choreography. So you just need to have fun. You need to know that you need to have fun while you're doing the choreography, and you make sure that you live every movement you do in the choreography. That's it. I'm gonna start now. So we go 5, 6, 7. So on 7 you're gonna take a ball change. All right, so you go 5, 6, 7, go ball change, and you come in. Okay, one more time. So you go 5, 6, 7, go ball change, and you go hit. Okay, so you go 5, 6, so this is your 7, 8, boom. Okay, so you go 5, 6, 7, go ball change, hit. Okay, the hand comes here on your chest and you're gonna pop it, you go boom. Okay, so you go 5, 6, 7, go ball change and hit. Okay, from here you're just gonna go 1 and, so you go 5, 6, 7, go, just look at my leg. So you're just gonna go boom and boom. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go 1 and. Okay, one more time. So you go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and. From here the hand goes together, so you do 5, 6, 7, go 1 and. You're just gonna take it in, you go 1 and. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go 1 and. From here you're just gonna take your hands up with your leg, you go boom, pause. Okay, so you go 5, 6, 7, you do ball change, you're gonna hit, this is very random. Okay, you're just gonna come like, you just go ball change, hit. Okay, so you go 5, 6, 7, go ball change, hit, and you go 1 and 2 and. Okay, let's do it one more time. So you go 5, 6, 7, go ball change, hit, 1 and 2 and. Okay, from here we're gonna go 3E and. Okay, so we go 5, 6, 7, go 3E and. Okay, one more time. So you go 5, 6, 7 and. Pace 1 and 2 and 3E and. Okay, from here you're just gonna fix points, so you're just gonna hold it from here, you're gonna take it like boom, and you wanna give a pop hit here, you so go boom. All right, so you go, this is your 4 and 5. Okay, one more time. You go 5, 6, 7, go. Let's do it from 1 and. Okay, so you go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3E and 4, hit. Okay, from here you're just gonna go 6E and. Okay, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here you're just gonna go woo ha, 6E and. Okay, now the legs, you will just gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. You from hit, you're gonna take your legs, shuffle. That's it. It is like just, it's very random, right and left. Okay, so you go, if I break it down from here, you're just gonna go ronde jump, right and left, circle of the leg, and then you go right and left. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go hit, right and left. That's it. So you go 5, 6, 7, go hit, right and left. Okay, now look at the hands. So the hands are going boom, ta ra ra. Okay, now do it with the legs. So you go hit, you go 5, 6, 7, go ronde jump, take it in and just pose it. All right, so you go 5, 6, let's connect it from the top. Yeah, so you go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3E and 4, 5, 6E and Okay, so the and is, you just gonna come 6E and. Okay, you just gonna go tarara ha. Okay, just do it like hey. Okay, so you go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3E and 4, 5, 6E and. Okay, from here you just gonna go 7 and. So on 7 you just go flick your hands like whoop. 7, so this is your 7, and from here you're just gonna go hand. You make the shape, yeah, and you have to be very comfortable here. Don't be like boo boo boo. Okay, so you go 5, 6, 7. So you go 5, 6 E and 7. Remember the counts. And from here you just gonna go flick